Kasi Princess, kanina when we were backstage, na-mention mo nga na laman ka ng tabloids ngayon. Do you have anything to say about that? About the line of work na pinili ng youngest brother mo?
Ang totoo niyan, I'm not so happy about it.
Kasi,
it hurts me. Just to clear up things,
okay.
no? Kasi
nakalagay doon na macho dancer.
Yeah, macho dancer.
Si Ruben.
Si Ruben.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing is, he's still my brother and I love him. And I still accept him because he's my brother. And bilang isang tao, may respeto pa rin ako sa kanya. Although I'm not so happy about the way things are. I just pray to God that someday he will see that he doesn't have to do this for him to know that he is loved and that he's accepted and that he is worth mabigat para sa aming magkakapatid na malaman na ganito.
Princess, sandali he's actually here right now. With us is the brother of Princess, si Ruben, her brother Paolo, her sister-in-law Jennifer, and ang nanay-nanay niya na si Caridad Sanchez. This is Ruben. Paolo, would you like to speak in behalf of the family to congratulate Princess?
Ate Princess, congratulations. We're proud of you.
Ruben? Siguro hindi naman sikreto sa'yo also what has been coming out na about, syempre hindi natin maaalis sa mga tao kasi na anak ka ni Helen Vela, tapos nakalagay doon ang kapatid ni Princess nagtatrabaho ngayon sa isang bar, and any kapatid would be so proud to hear kung ano yung sinabi ng sister mo na kahit ano yung pasukin mong trabaho, kahit ano yung maging buhay mo, mahal ka pa rin niya, di ba? So, anong gusto mong sabihin kay Princess ngayon?
I never meant naman na to hurt anybody or let them think of you as this or that. Ano mang decision na ginawa ko, ako what do you call it? I'm accountable for that, and I take full responsibility for every action that I make. Siguro ang mistake ko naman, inisip ko na masyado sarili ko. I didn't think of what would happen or the kind of effect it would have on the people around me. But needless to say, on that night, last Thursday night kasi ate was there, sabi ko, pumunta ka naman, tapos pinakita ko talaga. Later that night, she pinched me, sabi niya, ano to naman maging trabaho ko, mamahalin pa rin niya ako. And it meant so much to me kasi, you know, parang, ang laki bagay no para sa akin eh. Kinakabahan ako that night, sabi ko, hindi ko na magiging reaction niya. Pagbaba pa na sa kotse, niyakap niya kaagad ako. It meant so much to me.
Princess, kaharap mo ngayon si Ruben. What would you want to tell him?
Mahal kita. Yun lang. Just pray na God will heal all your wounds from the past. And alam ko naman na alam mo, mahal namin ikaw. I just hope that you see your worth. Not in all these things, but in how God sees you.
Tita Karing, ang message mo of congratulations for Princess.
Yes. Princess, congratulations first of all, no?
Thank you, Tita.
I'm so proud of you,
Tita.
Iha. Your brother and his brothers, they're so proud of you.
Thank you.
Kasabihan yan eh, kung may ligaya, may pain. But pain, kayang-kaya natin yan. Nobody's perfect, Iha. Nobody's perfect.
Yeah, thank you.
Definitely, she has always been there for me. Like last year, people come and go. Yet, in the end, kasi si Kuya na natatang, he was in Russia with my hipag tsaka pamangkin. People come and go like barkada, ganyan, but in the end, ate was always there. Palagi, parang siya yung character na hindi mara-write out sa soap opera. So, in the end, I've noticed na parang hindi ko na-realize yun. And I'm really sorry kung if there were times I failed to realize na you were always there. Na all you want was to be there for me and to love me and to show na how much you really care. I'm really sorry kung minsan masyado ko nang iniisip ang sarili ko.